Hi everyone, I'm Kate from the Mayfair Weight Loss Clinic. I'm going to show you how to correctly use the Wegovy pen. Wegovy is a once-weekly injection which contains semaglutide and is prescribed for weight loss. Each pack of Wegovy contains a patient information leaflet, the Wegovy pen itself, and the needles. Important checks. Check the expiry date to ensure the medication is within date. Remove the pen cap to check the liquid. This should be clear and colourless. It is important to note that the medication is contained here in the pen and not in the needles. Next, you'll need to attach a new needle. Remove the seal, then push the needle onto the pen and twist until it's secure. Remember to always use a new needle every time you take the medication to help prevent infections and blocked needles. Priming the pen. Before you use the pen for the first time, you will need to prime it to check everything is functioning correctly. You only need to prime it once when you are using a new pen and not before every use. To do this, first remove the outer cap of the needle, followed by the smaller inner cap. Keep the outer needle cap, you will need it later to safely remove the needle from the pen. The dose selector is at the other end of the pen. Turn the dose selector by 2 clicks until you see 2 dots displayed in the window. With the needle pointing upwards, press the dose button. You should hear a click with a 0 showing in the window, and a drop of liquid will appear at the top of the needle. If no drop appears, repeat this step. Selecting your dose. To select the dose, turn the selector clockwise all the way until the dose is showing in the window. Injecting the medicine. Wegovy can be injected into either the abdomen, at least 5 centimeters or 2 inches away from the belly button, the upper thigh, or the upper arm. Do change or mix up your injection sites each week to allow the skin to heal and avoid any potential soreness or bruising. Insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the skin. Press and hold down the dose button either with your finger or thumb until you hear a click and the dose counter returns to 0. Then count to 6 and remove the needle. You may see a drop of liquid at the end of the needle. That is totally normal and nothing to be concerned about. Remove the needle. Put the outer needle cap, which you saved earlier, back on the needle and unscrew it from the pen. Do not reuse the needle. Dispose of the needle in the sharps container. Do not put this in your normal household waste bin. Once you start using the pen, you will notice that a plunger begins to appear. This is normal and indicates how much liquid is remaining. Once the plunger reaches the end, the pen is empty and you have used up all 4 doses. Put the cap back onto the pen and store it away until the next use. You do not need to refrigerate the pen. You can keep the pen anywhere as long as it is away from direct sunlight and the temperature does not go above 30 degrees Celsius. And that is all there is to it. Remember not to use the Wegovy pen if it has either been stored in temperatures above 30 degrees or if it has frozen or the liquid is not clear and colourless. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to us at the Mayfair Weight Loss Clinic.